Pick up the silver blue 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 45,994 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.